Good morning, everyone. Hope you're all doing well with your health and studies. I'm here again with yet another very interesting topic from your English grammar and composition. So let's start. So before I start my explanation, I will request you all to open your textbook. In this video, we are going to learn about subject and predicate, two important parts of a sentence. In our previous class, we have studied what is a sentence, what is a phrase, and what are the different types of sentences. I hope you remember them all. And also, I'm going to tell you what is affirmative and what is negative sentence. So see, dear students, a complete sentence has two parts, a subject and a predicate. So a subject is the naming part and the predicate is the telling part. As we know that when we make a sentence, we name some persons or things and say something about that persons or things. We must have a subject to speak about and we must say or predicate something about that subject. So let's learn a little bit more about the subject and a predicate. Subject, what are we talking about? Tells us, and predicate, what did the subject or what did we said about that subject. So you can also say in a simple way that subject tells who or what the sentence is about and predicate tells what the subject does or is. Let's see the definition first. After that, I'll give you the example. So subject's definition, let's see first. What is a subject? A subject is the person or thing that is doing an action or the person or thing that is the focus of the sentence. And what is predicate? The predicate of a sentence is that part that contains the action. So let's see an example. I hope that will be clearing your doubts more. Now see, here is an example. People from all nations go to see the Eiffel Tower. So as I told you, the subject is the naming part and predicate is the telling part. So now, can you tell me what is the subject and what is the predicate in the sentence? No. Let me tell you. People from all nations is the naming part. Okay? And as I told you, the naming part is the subject. So what is the subject in this sentence? People from all nations is the subject. Okay? Now, what is remaining is the telling part and that will be the predicate of this sentence. So, go to see the Eiffel Tower is the predicate in this sentence. Now, tell me in this sentence what is the subject? Correct. The apple, because this sentence is about the apple. Now, tell me what is the predicate in this sentence? Good job. Roll down the hill, because that is the telling part. Now students, remember, you need both the subject and predicate to make a sentence. If you only have one part, if you have just the subject, for example, the pig, you will have no idea what the pig is or does. Was the pig big or small? Did the pig jump into the muddy puddle? I don't know. Do you know, students? Similarly, if you have just the predicate, for example, is deep and cold, you will have no idea who or what is deep or cold. Was the ocean deep or cold? Was the evil witch's tear deep or cold? Do you understand what I am trying to tell you? You need both the subject and the predicate to make a complete sentence. I hope the concept of subject and predicate is clear now. Let's move on to the next topic, which is affirmative and negative sentence. Let's see. Affirmative sentence, it indicates a positive sense. Negative sentence, it indicates a negative sense. For example, which fruit do you like? I like mangoes. I don't like mangoes. So, dear students, the definition of the affirmative sentence is: an affirmative sentence is a sentence that indicates a positive sense or meaning. An affirmative sentence are always positive. For example, I am from Brazil. You are a student. He is intelligent. She is Japanese. It is difficult. We are Brazilian. You are students. They are from England. Now let's see the definition of a negative sentence. A negative sentence means a sentence which are used to express the negative expression in case of daily acts, events, speeches, and so on. For example, I do not want to visit the place as soon as possible. Second example, we didn't get the message few days ago from John. Let's see some more examples how we can change affirmative sentence to negative sentence to affirmative sentence, and also how to change them into interrogative sentences. So let's first see how we can change the affirmative sentence to negative sentence. If in the sentence we will find I am, you are, he is, she is, it is, we are, you are, they are, then how we can change them into negative sentence? We will write I am not, you are not, he is not, she is not, it is not, we are not, you are not, they are not. Let's see how it's been done in interrogative sentence, from affirmative to negative and then interrogative. Listen carefully. If in the affirmative sentence I am is there, then when we'll write negative sentence, then we will write I am not. And when the same thing we have to write in interrogative sentence, we will write am I. Let's see the rest of the examples. You are not. Are you? He is not. Is he? She is not. Is she? It is not. Is it? We are not. Are we? You are not. Are you? They are not. Are they? In this manner. Let's see some more examples. I was playing. In affirmative sentence. In negative sentence, I wasn't playing. Interrogative, was I playing? Let's see the remaining examples. You were playing. You weren't playing. Were you playing? He was playing. He wasn't playing. Was he playing? She was playing. She wasn't playing. Was she playing? It was playing. It wasn't playing. Was it playing? We were playing. We weren't playing. Were we playing? You were playing. You weren't playing. Were you playing? They were playing. They weren't playing. Were they playing? In this manner. You have noticed that affirmative sentence can be written in negative sentence in long form and in the short form too. How? Let's read. I work. I do not work. I don't work. You work. You do not work. You don't work. He works. He does not work. He doesn't work. She works. She does not work. She doesn't work. It works. It does not work. It doesn't work. We work. We don't not work. We don't work. You work. You do not work. You don't work. They work. They do not work. They don't work. In this manner. So dear students, as you have seen, in some of the places we have wrote do and some of the places it's written does. So let me clear where we must use do and where we must use does. So as you can see, do is used for plural nouns like I, you, we, they, and does is used for singular nouns like he, she, it. I hope you understood, students. So that's it for today. And your homework are